Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the 2-acre homestead. My name is Lisa, in case we haven't met. Before we get started in our garden tour today, I'm going to be feeding our goats. I thought I'd take you guys with me. Good morning, everybody. You guys survived the nasty storm? Oh. My husband's already given them hay. That's what they're eating over there. And then they've got hay over here in this covered area. But what they're after right now is their cereal. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done for them. Hi, Apple. Hi, Maple. These are all the babies that have been born. All these white ones. These are all the babies that have been born. And Apple, which is the brown one right here. We intend on not keeping the majority of them, but adding Apple to our dairy herd. And the rest of them are either going to find homes or they'll do something else. So you heard me recently talk about, especially if you follow us on Instagram, you'll know that one of our dogs got attacked by a rattlesnake. She is perfectly fine. Here's a look at her. Hi, Tuxie. Hi, Tuxedo. Her name is Tuxedo. And she got bit protecting me, actually. So, and that was actually here in the garden. This first bed I have growing in here lemongrass, and I've got, let's see here, I've got some sort of cantaloupe. I can't remember, but it's a type of cantaloupe. It's an Indian cantaloupe. And I've got some cherry tomatoes. This is the other entrance to my garden. It's flanked on either side. I've got some decent sized growing beds here. So for this garden tour, I'm not going to point out every single thing that's growing, but I do want to let you guys see what's going on here just in general, what my garden is looking like. My garden is in a state of flux right now, not only because of the changing seasons, but we're also changing some things here in the garden, and I want to show you guys that in just a second. So continuing on this tour here, over here I've got some melons that are growing, or cantaloupes, and I put, in case anybody's wondering, I put some netting around the cantaloupe because I've been having problems with, I've got some squirrels that come in here and they will eat any of the fruit. my tomatoes, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I just harvested a tomato. This is not the tomato I harvested, but I recently did harvest some tomatoes. I think I have my tags mixed up in this bed. This is supposed to be a brandywine slicing tomato, and that doesn't look like a slicer to me. So we'll see. It has been a really good year for our monsoons, for our rainy season, but man, oh man, the weeds have just been taking over, as you can see. Let's walk over here to a more trellised garden. I absolutely love morning glory, and that is what's growing up here. Now, I also have, because, you know, I'm still at heart an urban gardener, so spacing, I tend to not pay too close attention to those rules, but I've got Armenian cucumber growing up here right next to it. It's actually flanked on either side. You can't really tell, but there's another one over there. Strawberries did not do that well this year. I've had better strawberry years. Okay. One of the goats got upset. But my strawberries did not do that well this year. So there's always next year. My okra is going insane. My watermelon put on some really juicy and tasty watermelons, but it's actually time to take the vine out. I need to redo this bed because I really do need to mulch this bed. I haven't mulched this bed for some bizarre reason, but everything seems to be doing good. I'm going to be doing this again next year, and that is having the tomatoes grow in the interior parts of these beds. When I say interior, I mean interior to this horseshoe, and then having everything trellis up. that's it for me and my family here on our homestead. It is, like I said, it's really hot and my face is probably just shining really bright. But that's it from me, my family. So to you, wherever you are in the world, happy homesteading, happy gardening. And until next time, stay safe out there.